If someone were to say to me from absolute ground zero, how to get rich, first thing I would say you should do is you should refuse to consume content and only create content. Doesn't matter if it's just tweets, doesn't matter if it's TikToks, doesn't matter if it's YouTube videos. Produce.
Is that D-Dude on the beat?
Hey Jordi, whip that shit up.
We live in an attention economy. So if you develop a phone addiction and you refuse to consume and you only create, you'll start to attract attention. And when you can do that, there's usually lots of different ways to monetize it. So if someone came to me and said, I have nothing, no skills, no money, nothing, and I had to get rich, I'd say that's what you should do. You should get a phone, and develop a phone addiction, and you should start to create.
Is that D-Dude on the beat?
Hey Jordi, whip that shit up.